hit that subscribe button. So if you subscribe, subscribe. Let's open it.
Open what?
Open Magic Mixie Pixlings. Alright, where we go? Oh, right here, guys. Alright, so we have to zip right here. Oh,
Do you want to help?
no scissors.
Right there.
Look, everybody. Alright, get everything out.
There you go. There you go.
That's number 5. This
Okay.
is number 6.
What's number 5? What's number 6?
That's the glue. That's the glue. And number 2 is the same.
You got number 4?
Alright, we're gonna do this in order.
Okay.
4, 5, 6, 2. Alright, let's do it.
Okay. So,
Number 1.
potion making can get messy. Place your potion bottle on a plate. Easy. Clean up, remove paper ring. Okay, alright. So, we're gonna go ahead and fill potion bottle to the line with water. Okay, we're gonna go get all that.
Okay, guys. Bye. We'll come back. Just bye. Hi, everybody. We're back. Sorry we're so late. Okay, so let's do it. So, number 1.
Number 1, put this on the plate. Okay,
Number 2.
this on.
Number 2 is...
Oh,
Number 3.
there we go. Do not unscrew it. Okay. Oh, it says to take this off. Okay. Perfect. Okay.
Okay.
Number 2. Grab number 2.
So we need to cut it.
Okay, and cut.
Right here. I wonder what we do after.
Okay.
Cut.
Fold end of bag into the opening.
What?
Remove. It says to remove this. There you go. Take it out.
Oh, I can't do it.
Oh, you can do it? Here, you hold this. Don't squeeze it's open. There you go. Okay. Alright. No, hold on. It says to fold.
Key fold.
Yep. See this picture?
Yeah, now
Okay,
can we?
now, wait till I read it. Okay, lift and pour. Oops, it came up.
Oh no.
Okay, lift and pour. Yep, pour it in. Is it coming out? Did we cut it on it? We didn't cut it on.
Oh no.
Okay, here we go. I cut it on the line.
Oh no!
Now, put it back in. Now, you do that. There we go. Ooh! Wow.
It's so pretty, guys. Look at it.
Did you squeeze it all in there?
Yeah, I
You sure?
think so.
Okay.
I think I squeezed all of it.
Good.
No, I didn't.
Okay, squeeze it all.
Help.
Wipe any spilled pixeling using a damp cloth.
Oh no.
Careful, don't get any close. Okay.
Mommy, there's
It
bubbles.
should not stain most common surfaces. Okay, do we have a towel? Yeah. Okay, now fill potion bottle to the line with water.
This?
Nope, this.
Put it in?
Yep, we're gonna put it in.
And I'm moving.
The top and then two of them.
You ready?
Yep.
You have to fill it to the line. You hold that. You want to pour or you want to hold?
You hold out.
Where's the line? Where's the filling line? There it is, right there. That's when we stop. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Okay. You want to hold it or pour it?
I'll pour it, you hold it.
All right, come on.
I'm scared.
Is it filling you?
No.
Tell me when it's there.
It's supposed to say. Stop.
Stop?
There.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look what it's doing. Oh my gosh. Look what it's doing. Did we fill it too high?
No.
Oh no, we did, Betty. We filled it too high. Oh my gosh, we filled it too high, Betty.
Oh no.
It's okay, she can just come over that. There you go, that's really good.
Yeah, that's gonna be good. Yep. No.
There. Oh no, now we need a little bit more. Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, now grab number 4.
Okay.
Hold on.
There's no scissors.
Sprinkle in flutter dust. It's dust. Oh, there it is. Why is this already open? Okay, put that in there.
I didn't do it.
Okay, take it. Pour it out. No, it's still in there. Let's see what maybe take it and put it back. Okay. Number 5. Cut. And we're gonna do the same thing again. We're gonna fold it in there and you're gonna hold it up. This time we're gonna do it a little bit lower. Hold on. You're gonna fold it, you're gonna lift it. Go ahead. You lift it all the way up. Ooh, look at that.
Oh no, I think we throw it too high.
No, it's fine. It's too long. It's good. Don't worry about it. Okay. It said wipe any excess off with a paper towel. You have any Okay. Number 6. Add a butterfly wing.
Same thing.
It's already open.
Yep.
Why are these already open? That's so weird.
And the same thing as number 4.
What's that?
Same thing as number 4.
Oh, you have another number 4?
Yeah.
Oh, we were supposed to add that earlier, girl. You have 2 number 4s?
Yeah.
Oh no, there's nothing in there. Okay, here we go. I'll take it out, you add it. There you go. Butterfly wing. 1 butterfly wing. Okay. Remove the golden ring to reveal the magic words. That's the ring. Yep, take it out. Ooh, what does it say, Betty? Magicus
Yeah,
Mixus.
Mixus.
Okay.
Now press the.
Turn, no. Turn the crystal gem until it stops. Turn it. Keep turning it until it stops.
Is it done?
Nope, keep turning it. There, did it stop? Okay, now wait. Now say the magic words, Magicus Mixus.
You say it.
No, you. We'll say it together. 1, 2, 3.
Magicus
Mixus. And push down hard twice on the crystal gem. 1, 2. Release and wait a minute for the magic to turn your potion clear.
Woo! Look.
Is it working? Oh, did you not see that before? You didn't?
Change color though.
Is it turning clear? Look, is that going away?
Mm-mm.
It's not?
Yeah, it's going away.
Is it going away?
Mhm.
Is it going away? Okay, it says to wait a minute. You pushed hard, right?
Mhm. I tried. I just tried.
Maybe I'll do it.
Why?
Oh, there we go.
I didn't know it.
It did.
And it says, Mama.
This is
Oh, it's
leaking.
leaking.
Is it?
Oh,
No,
no,
this
no.
has water on
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
Here, let's move this. Oh my God! Look!
She's coming! She's coming! She's coming, everybody!
Wow.
Wow! There she is.
There she is! Boop, boop, boop.
Wow. Okay.
Now what do we do?
Hold on. Now, unscrew the lid. This whole thing. Lucky Lucy. Pull. Oh! Pull it out.
Whoa.
Ooh. Unscrew. Hold on.
I know how to do it.
Okay. Unscrew that.
It's not working.
Lefty Lucy.
I like the water.
Oh, look, it's dripping. There it is.
I'm gonna pull her out.
Okay.
Now she's coming out with it.
Use the golden ring as a doll stand. After completing water reveal, rinse parts with clean water and wash hand. Dispose of wastewater down the drain. Wash container with soapy water. Okay. So this is a stand. Apparently she can stand on
What do we do?
right here. Wow. And then you can go. Did you show her?
Look.
What? Look at that. Look at her ears. Look at her butterfly forehead. She's so cute.
Look, everybody.
Mm.
Look at her hair.
Ooh, look at her hair. It's so pretty. Oh, that's okay. It was just this thing.
Well done. Bye, everybody. Like, subscribe. Bye. Hit that subscribe button. Bye.